Okay, so me and Josh are en route to the FIFA 18 capture event. We've been invited by EA. So me and Josh have come up with a little plan.
What is up, Troubler Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the news. Now, our first story is coming from Road to Shaw. He's been on the run from EA.
Still missing. No one knows where this guy is.
However, we did manage to get a few exclusive interviews. Here they are. Roll it.
So, do any of you guys know where Road to Shaw is?
Who's that?
No.
Nope.
Nah. Sucked off by a prostitute. I don't care.
That one. I ain't seen that guy in ages.
I probably shouldn't be showing you this, but this is what a custom EA PS4 looks like. It's got this random stuff up in the top corner. My personal favourite thing about it, though, is you can buy any of the FIFA points for £1.24. Like, it's obviously just set up like this because no one's supposed to be using it, but I'm going to make the most of it. 1 million FIFA points! And it only cost me about 100 quid. Also, there is unlimited 125k packs on this console, so let's see what 1 million FIFA points gets you. And I'm only going to show you the very best packs. Let's go. I don't know how I haven't got a walkout yet. Come on. Something good. It's a walkout! You can tell because there's like a gold flare down the side. French. Pogba! Yes! Our first walkout, Paul Pogba! Jesus Christ! Oh! Fuck you! Paul Pogba, that's not bad. I'll take it. For the first walkout, I couldn't ask for much more. And Lukaku in the same pack. Oh! Wait! Icon! My first icon! Oh my days, why is that Ukraine? Shevchenko! Yes! 91? Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. That's his prime. I swear to God that's his prime. No, that's his... Oi! The EA console has prime legend! That's not even out yet. You can't pack that. I've broken the game! Hang on, wait. It's lagging out. I think I might have broken the game. I can't get a 91 Shevchenko. This console must just have all the players. I could get Prime Ronaldo. If it works. Yes! Oh my God! I'm going to say, next walkout that I get, I'm going to do a disappear pack. Come on! It's a walkout. All right, come on, Harry. Who do we get? Lacazette. Not too bad. I mean, it's not a walkout, but decent. I am far too hot in this dressing gown, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep it on. I am sweating here. And we get another icon! That's 2 icons! I've only opened 100,000 points! I can get so many good players. Inzaghi, 90... Wait, that's his prime. That's his prime. I'm going to check. It is! That's prime Inzaghi! You can't buy him! You can't pack him! You can't get him! This console is glitched! There is no way on earth that EA are letting me upload this. Like, it's just not happening. What? Inzaghi Prime was not even the highest rated player in the pack. We got Suarez as well. Here's my idea. The next walkout or billboard that I get, I don't know what they're called this year. The next one I get, I have to try and do 10 keepy-ups. And if I don't do 10 keepy-ups, by the time the player walks out, I have to discard them. All right, sounds good. Oh God! Come on, Harry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! That counts! Oh my God, Lewandowski as well! Oh my days! I almost broke like 3 things in my room, so I'm not doing that again. I brought the dog in for good luck. Say hello, Herb. Say hi. Hello. Walk out! We've got to walk out! Be decent! Portuguese! Oh my God! No! No! I thought it was going to be Nani! Oh, look what you did! Oh my days, right, I'm putting him outside, it's too loud. Oh! Yes! Oh my days! I was thinking, I'm opening 1,000,000 FIFA points. Surely I'm going to get Messi or Ronaldo. And we've got Ronaldo! Anyone? Walk out. Okay, right, let's do a turn the TV off pack. It's off. Okay, I'm going to give it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, you're going to see real time what I'm getting. Please be good. Oh! Hazard! Yes! Yes! That's sick. I've just thought of a great joke. Ta-da! Did you get it? Because it's a hazard. Icon number 3! Who is it? Brazil! Striker! Ronaldo! Icon Ronaldo! Oh my God! Oh, why couldn't it be the Prime 96 one? I mean, it's still sick. It's still incredibly sick. We've got Ronaldo, but it could have been the Prime. It could have been the Prime. I get that I'm opening 1,000,000 FIFA points, and this is like an EA account, so it's probably a bit like, I don't even know. But even so, this pack luck is mental. Look, we've got Ronaldo and Ronaldo. Oh, come on. Oh! Oh! Di Maria! You little poo! I am officially out of FIFA points. I'm going to carry on spending coins though, but I just spent 1,000,000 FIFA points. And we get another walkout. I'm leaving the room. Who is it? Oh my God, it's an icon! Oh my days! You know what? I'm not even joking. As I ran away, I saw like a glimmer of like the blue and thing, and I thought, but I was like, nah, surely not. An icon! It's Bergkamp, and I think that's his lowest rated one. But is that 4 icons? This PlayStation is broken. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I skipped a billboard, and not just any billboard, De Bruyne and Ribery in the same pack. And that, Harry, is why you pay attention while you open packs. I was just looking at Twitter, I skipped De Bruyne walkout and nearly discarded him and Ribery. Let's go! Icon! Icon! Oh my god, wait! I'm gonna selfie it! Come on! The iconic selfie! I can't even make out the flag! Wait. Ah! Oh my god, it's Pele! What? What? Oh my god! Oh my god, it's Pele! Oh my god! Oh my god, wait! I'm gonna have to play a replay of the walkout because it was so blurry on the camera, I couldn't even see what flag it was! Pele! Pele! Oh my days, look, bang! We got Pele! What are you saying? I don't know how I'm supposed to react. I'm sorry. In no FIFA have I ever got him. I've spent so much on packs. Granted, I've never had the chance to open this many 125k packs. What? I don't think this even counts as a real pack opening because this PlayStation's obviously broken. I'm getting prime players. The packs are just never ending. But I don't even care. Thank you guys for watching. EA, if you want your PlayStation back, I'm about to go into hiding, so come get me. I'll see you guys next time. Yes!